Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 10 best table saws on the market. We'll explore a diverse range of table saw models, evaluating their features, performance, and overall value. Check the video description and see the full list. Number 1. DEWALT DW7491 RS Jobsite Table Saw. The DEWALT DW7491 RS Jobsite Table Saw stands out with its powerful motor and impressive rip capacity. Its sturdy build and wheeled stand make it convenient for portability, while the precise fence system ensures accurate cuts. Pros: powerful motor for heavy-duty tasks, large rip capacity, wheeled stands for easy transport, accurate fence system. Cons: a bulky design may require more storage space. Number 2. The Ryobi RTS12 table saw offers a blend of affordability and functionality. Its compact design makes it suitable for smaller workspaces, and the included accessories enhance its versatility. Pros: budget-friendly option, compact and space-saving, included accessories for various cuts. Cons: may not be ideal for extremely heavy-duty tasks. Number 3. SKIL TS630700 Table Saw. The SKIL TS630700 Table Saw boasts a user-friendly design and advanced safety features. Its self-aligning rip fence and integrated storage system add convenience to your woodworking projects. Pros: user-friendly design, self-aligning rip fence, integrated storage system, enhanced safety features. Cons: the motor may be less powerful compared to some other models. Number 4. DEWALT DW7485 Compact Table Saw. Ideal for those with limited space, the DEWALT DW7485 Compact Table Saw offers portability without compromising performance. Its compact size doesn't sacrifice power, making it a great choice for smaller workshops. Pros: compact and portable, powerful motor for its size, precise cutting capabilities. Cons: smaller rip capacity compared to larger models. Number 5. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1-Key Table Saw Kit. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1-Key Table Saw Kit brings cordless convenience to the table. With its advanced features and wireless connectivity, it's a modern tool for professionals. Pros: cordless operation, advanced features and wireless connectivity, suitable for professional use. Cons: higher cost due to advanced technology. Number 6. RIDGID Pro Jobsite Table Saw. The RIDGID Pro Jobsite Table Saw is designed with durability in mind. Its robust construction and convenient features make it a reliable option for demanding tasks. Pros: durable build quality, suitable for heavy-duty use, convenient features for job site use. Cons: may not have the most advanced features. Number 7. Bachin Mini Table Saw. For hobbyists and small-scale projects, the Bachin Mini Table Saw offers precision and ease of use. Its compact size and affordability make it an excellent choice for beginners. Pros: compact and affordable, ideal for hobbyists and small-scale projects, easy to use. Cons: limited cutting capacity for larger projects. Number 8. SKIL SPT9911 Heavy Duty Table Saw. The SKIL SPT 9911 heavy-duty table saw is built for tough tasks. Its powerful motor and durable construction make it a reliable companion for professionals tackling demanding projects. Pros: heavy-duty performance, powerful motor, durable construction. Cons: the bulkier design may not be as portable. Number 9. SawStop CNS 175 SW30 Contractor Saw. Safety takes center stage with the SawStop CNS 175 SW30 Contractor Saw. Its innovative safety features can help prevent serious accidents, making it a valuable investment for a safety-conscious workshop. Pros: innovative safety features, reliable performance, suitable for safety-conscious users. Cons: higher price due to safety technology. Number 10. KREG Table Saw Precision Miter Gauge System. The KREG Table Saw Precision Miter Gauge System is a precision tool for accurate miter cuts. Its versatile design and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any woodworking setup. Pros: precision miter cuts, versatile design, easy to use and adjust. Cons: limited to miter cuts and specific tasks. There you have it, our top 10 picks for the best table saws. Each model offers unique features and benefits, catering to a range of woodworking needs. Remember to consider your specific requirements and preferences when choosing the perfect table saw for your workshop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and woodworking insights.